So I was looking for nice cooking trays, baking trays, and we found these on Amazon. I really wanted the grill. Why? Because the grill allows me to elevate food off, especially if I want to do like a layer of fries, a layer of bacon, layer of potatoes that I don't want on the pan itself, especially like chicken. Especially when I do chicken, I want to have it raised up so that the heat doesn't just hit the top, but hits the bottom underneath. So this grill part really helps to keep up top. And if you're just doing cookies, it becomes a nice cooling tray if you'd rather. Also, what's nice is this black sheet that comes with it. You can see we've used it so much. I use the black sheet underneath with this on top, and that's why you've got little worn marks in the black sheet. So maybe don't put the grill sheet on top of the black, use regular parchment paper or something else. But I like this because it's reusable, and anytime I'm making biscuits, cookies, any kind of dough that's gonna go straight onto the pan, I put this sheet in, and the dough, the base, the biscuits, the cookies, they never stick to the pan. Don't need any oil, no grease, it doesn't need it. You just put this sheet on there, and it does a nice job sticking. Now, if you don't want the sheet, that's fine. You can still see what the pan looks like, nice and clean, silver. You can see we usually use some kind of something on top, either aluminum foil for easy cleanup or parchment paper. But you see this pan is really nice. And for us, it's really convenient because these two pans will sit side by side in our oven. So I have one full, huge set of grills that I can use in the oven, and they work wonderfully.